Welcome back to Clean This Mess. I'm gonna take you on a little hike with us. It's very beautiful here in California. I've been here since Saturday. It is Wednesday. I've been very busy, so I haven't been vlogging much, but I'm gonna take you around with us today while we go hiking. Everybody go for hikes in the morning too. Go for a walk and see beautifulness. Yeah, we're not doing that one again. We're walking down here where Mommy wanted to go. Stay on the sidewalk. It won't be cold when we get in the sun, baby.
Can we go to a park?
I don't know if there's a park in here.
I don't remember any gate.
Baby, that's someone's house. We're not going over there. We're gonna go over here and then take a right. See all the pretty mountains? Oh, that box.
Be there with one of these motorcycles.
Yeah.
One time we'll have we're gonna have a water gun fight.
Isn't there only one water gun?
No, there's 4.
Oh, okay. Happy New Year! Our little hike is over. Let's go back to the house.
We wasn't just attaching to those group things and work very good.
Good.
Okay, well guess what?